When you look up to the sky, you feel that you have something more than just what you see right here. I wanted to travel there, and my mythical friend, a secret animal, came to me and said, okay, I can tell you about the stargates and how to travel to the future or the past or another world, but first you need to learn about the living stream. Once upon a time, all animals and humans knew about the life stream. It wasn't a balance. Everybody can come and restore their abilities and even gain something new. But at some moment, people and animals stopped to understand each other, and the living stream stopped giving its healing and restoring power. My friend can talk to me sometime in my dreams, said that he came to the living stream to ask what actually happened. And the living stream said, I haven't changed actually. Just people have forgotten how important I am, how to use my power. People started to put rubbish into the water, drink something which isn't water, destroying body substance. Next day, when I woke up, I've changed one habit. I stopped going to shower before drinking a glass of water, because when my body is thirsty and I want to drink, it's important to give the salvation for the thirstiness before you are placing your body into the watery space where it cannot drink. That's how I showed my gratefulness to my body and to the knowledge of living stream, which always there when it's the right time, when it's used wisely with respect to yourself and to the source you are using. This is the story. It's a little dreamy. In many cultures, we had stories about the living stream. Maybe at some point, my friend will show me the way to the Stargate. But for now, I'm just caring about myself. My channel has many different stories and recommendations. I hope this video has been interesting. See you there in your best version of life.